These Micca 14-gauge pure copper speaker cables deliver clean, full sound that easily outperforms typical copper-clad aluminum options in a home stereo or theater setup. Each cable comes pre-terminated with solid, gold-plated banana plugs that make secure connections to standard binding posts quick and frustration-free. The extremely fine strand count inside the conductors gives the cables excellent flexibility, so routing them around furniture or through tight spaces is straightforward. A slim connector profile keeps the ends from crowding adjacent terminals, helping maintain a tidy, uncluttered look behind receivers and speakers. The hand-assembled, soldered terminations with heat shrink reinforcement feel robust and inspire confidence that the cables will hold up to years of regular use. A dual-layer jacket with clear polarity markings both protects the conductors from abrasion and makes it hard to mix up left and right or positive and negative connections.